folks, this is Wesley Virgin, your master motivator and master virtual trainer here with 7dayfitness.com. And guess what? I got a great special workout for you guys. What we're going to work out today is the stomach, the abs, the chest, and the shoulders. This is for those quick workouts. You don't have a lot of time. Say, Wes, I need to get out the door real quickly. I'm ready to go to bed. I'm tired from work. I need you to give me some quick and to the point, and I'm going to show you. But the first thing I want to do is I want to do a stretching exercise, okay? First thing we're going to do is stretch the stomach, ab muscles. Hands up like this, interlock. You see this? Interlock, and lean back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come in. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what we want to do is I want to do a shoulder stretch real quickly. Take one arm up, down, other hand behind it, push down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I'm all stressed out. Hey, folks, let's get it done. Okay, folks, this is the first thing you want to do. You want to lay down on the floor here, body straight. Hold it right there, okay? You want to take the weights up in the air, down. 1, up, 2. All right, folks, let's get it done. What you want to do is you want to lay down on the floor, your body straight and narrow as possible, okay? Lift your leg, come up. Let's begin. 1, 2, 2. See that? Up 1. That's chest. 1 right here. Up. That's 2. Up. That's 3. Up. That's 4. You should feel it. Up. That's 5. Up. That's 6. Up. That's 7. Finish them out. Body straight, legs together. Up. Down, this is the chest. Hold it. Close. Down. Up. Down. That's 2. You see this, folks? Keep your legs straight. You see that tension we're doing on those ab muscles? Awesome. Down. Up. Open. Close. Down. Up. Open. Hey, I'm going to see you here tomorrow. This is Wesley Virgin, your master motivator and master virtual trainer here with 7dayfitness.com. Get fit with passion.